Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, we're going to be unboxing this right here. This is the MONSTER Open Ear AC210 Air Conduction Bluetooth headset. This right here will cost you right now on sale 74% off at $29.99. Normal price, when I got it, was $179.99. So you can see I got it for $39.99. Right now it's on sale for $29.99. So who knew it would go down? But now they said the normal price is $114. It says the normal price is at $114.99, but when I got it, it said $179. So I don't know. They be kind of messing up the price. But I got these because I'm trying to give Monster another chance. The last, Monster headsets I did, I said if you could buy them, get them at this level, buy them. If it's at different, I don't buy them. So let's see if they can redeem themselves with this. So let's go ahead and get into some of the details. This has, like I said, this is an open back design, ultimate comfort, allowing sound to embrace the ears. It has a 360 excellent sound quality. The MONSTER AC210 Bluetooth headset use dual powerful 12mm dynamic driving units and modified PI composite diaphragm, as well as the 30-watt thrust of the DAC sound card to make the sound more three-dimensional. Okay, also extra long battery life, up to 6 hours listening time, up to 30 hours combined with the charger case. And that's about it. It doesn't do anything else. It says it's better for the ears because it's not piercing your ears. So guys, why don't we just go ahead and get to the eagle eye view. But before we get there, please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm saying it one more time, just in case you didn't hear me. Please like, share, and subscribe. I think my current and new subscribers are still rocking with your boy. The more thumbs up we get, the more you share, the more that the YouTube algorithm gods will say, hey, people like it, let's push it out. So without further ado, let's get to the eagle eye view. Right, we're in the eagle eye view. This is how it looks, guys. I know the above light gives a little glare, so sorry. But here, this is how it looks. So let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, I got it because this was really on sale. And they tried to say we're going to use the Sprite knife today. And just trying to see if they can redeem themselves, Because everybody into the open ear back design lately. So let's see how it goes. All right, let's put this up so I don't get cut. All right, that was a little better. All right, so there you go. Here we go. All right, so you can see that everything IPX5, call, Bluetooth, so Monster. All right, here. So we have this here. All right, so we got the books. I think I threw one over, but this is the book. We got the other one. We have a USB-C to USB-A. So we got that. So here go the prize right here. So not heavy at all, guys. Pretty decent. Monster. Not bad looking. All right, let's look at it. We have the USB-C charger port. We have the light. So let's go ahead. We have that Monster sign. So there that go. That's not bad looking. Not bad looking at all. So let's open it up. Okay, they didn't come with no plastic on, so I hope these wasn't no returns. Yeah, they normally come with plastic on the tips. This might be a return. I don't know. Don't look like it's dirty. Maybe they forgot to put them on. So that's how it looked, guys. And so that's all I can show you. Okay, now they're charging. Okay. And like I said, there is no app for this. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to compare it to another set so you can see the size difference. We're going to go ahead and also weigh it, and we're going to charge it up and pair it and put it through its paces. All right, guys, see you in a minute. All right, everybody, just want to give you a side comparison from some ones in this price range and about about the same size. You can see now these two are going to be a lot bigger. These are erasers, these are Manisos. You can tell by that. Look how big that is compared to that. And this is thicker and taller. So these two are going to be way more than this. And this is a little bit sleeker. So you want to put this in your pocket or your purse. It's going to take less room than these. Now these are small, but it's going to take less room. Now let's open them up so you can see how they compare. And when you look at the comparison, you can see that these are going to be the bigger ones here. Let's see if I can get these out. These are kind of slippery. So you're going to see the size comparison. Look how that looks compared. Like, look at that. Compared to this, this is going to be a lot more streamlined, a lot more, look at that. Streamlined. This is going to be a little bit more bulky, and this is going to be your chunky monkey right here. So you can see the size comparison that these are a little bit more streamlined than this. All right, these two about the same, but as you can see, this is a little bit more streamlined, a little bit more, I guess the finish is a little bit better than this. If you like the electronic look, or you like the, I guess, daintily look. That's what I have. That's all the words I have to use at the moment. So you can see that. All right, guys, well, let's go ahead and get to the weight and see how much they weigh. Okay. Let's get into it. You see it's grams. Right? Wait, it's 54 grams. So when you got both of the earbuds in there, it's 54 grams. Let's see how much it is a piece, because normally people wear one earbud at a time. So, it ain't registering. Give me 1 second. I don't know why it ain't registering. Maybe it's that light. Oh, all right, it's 5 grams, guys. So you got 5 grams a piece. This thing is light. 5 grams a piece, guys. So that means 5 grams in your ear a piece, and together they'll be 10 grams. That's not bad. All right, guys, let's get to charging it and putting it through the rest of the paces. We're going to use the wire cane with it, USB-A, USB-C. So we're going to before we put it in here, see, you can see this is on and it's charging up. It's blinking red. So that's how you know it's charging up. Blinking red right there. It's charging up. So we're going to use this right here. Because, a lot of us got that. You see it's charging. Red right there. There you go. All right. So that we know that works. And we're going to use C to C just to make sure. We're going to use the anchor. A lot of people got their own. We'll put it up here. Let's see if this works. And you can see it's on. And you can see it's blinking red. So there you go, guys. Pair it up there. It's no app with this, guys. Kind of mad about that because Monster, you should have an app. But you can't open them. And for them to connect, you have to take them out. And then we're going to hit pair, new devices. And you can see, came up right there. Go hit it. And you can see it's connecting. We're going to hit pair, I'm sorry. And it's connected. So that's how they look when you connect. Very easy. Yo, I'm back just for this moment, just to say this. Hey, I'm going to have to do the listen to the music and making phone calls, off camera, because, if I play the music and I play different genres of music, you're going to be able to hear it through the back. And that means you're going to be able to hear it through the microphone. And YouTube likes to, not copy strike, but copy claim or copy strike, stuff like that. So I don't want to do that. And then some people just don't like to hear their voice on the actual video. So that's why. So guys, I'm about to go ahead and test them out. And when I come back, I'll be able to give you my final thoughts and giving the Monster Open Ear AC210 a grade. Okay? Yo, I'm back to give my final thoughts on the Monster Open Ear AC210 earbuds. My final thoughts and giving a grade. Guys, I really do like these, guys. The last Monsters I did, they were okay. I mean, fair to middling. These are way above fair to middling, guys, to me. They fit comfortably in the ear. Now, we're going to get into the fit, but they go on like this. And the only thing is, if you got big ears, they're going to sit right above that ridge right in the inner ear, right on top of the ear, which is pretty good. And as you can see, they're not heavy at all. If you look at the rest of the video before you got to this part, you see 11 grams, 5 grams, 10 grams, 5 grams a piece, and you see I'm shaking. So they're not coming out. So they're really light and they're really ergonomic. So let's get into it. The fit, I'm gonna give a 4.5, guys. The fit is good. Like I said, they're light. You know, you can't. I wore them for hours, and they don't hurt your ears. The inner ear, I mean, up here they don't hurt inside here. Now, the one thing I will say, the reason why I didn't give it a 5, because I think they fall a little short because they're on the ridge of your ear right here. So they sit there instead of sitting kind of right here. So part of it sits here, part of it sits out here. So if you have smaller ears, probably it fits you perfect. So, but for me, I'm giving the fit a 4.5. Now, finish and design, I'm gonna give it a 3.8. I think they're very stylish. I do like the design of them. They're not bulky. Like I said, I think they could be a little bit bigger. But other than that, the finish and design, I'm gonna give a 3.8. As far as the music, now listen to me. These are the loudest pair I've ever worn. Now, the what is it called? The erasers are loud, but these are louder than the eraser. I turned them all the way up, and they do kind of distort once you turn it all the way up a little bit. But other than that, turn it all the way up. I asked my wife, I said, hey, baby, excuse me, it's hot in here. I said, baby, if you were sitting next to me on a bus playing, would this be annoying? She said, yeah, it's loud enough. My wife was across the room and she could still hear it across the room. So I had to turn it just below half, below half for her not to hear. So they're very loud. So if you want something that's going to be loud, the Monsters are very loud. The music sounds okay. It doesn't come with that punch of bass. Now, you can hear the bass, but it don't have that kick. The mids and highs are okay. So I give the music a 3.8. It's above average, guys. 3.8 above average. Calls, I give it a 3. A 3 calls. I made a couple calls, both for the pre I asked. They said it's about a 3. A 3 out of 5. So that's what that is. The calls is a 3. App is a 0. Now, some people don't care for the app. I'm like, Monster should have an app. So I gave the app a 0, but I'm going to give it a grade. You'll see what I'm going to do. I'm giving, if without an app, it's going to up the grade. With the app, it's going to lower the grade. If the app means a lot to you, then you might not want to get this, but it has no app at the moment. Now, hopefully they'll be working on one. So now price, I'm going to give a 5. If you buy this at $29 to $39, it's a 5. If you buy this at $114 to $179, no, it's a 0. I wouldn't even get it at that much price because, like I said, it does sound good. They fit well. But like I said, there's other, ones out there that have a good fit and that sound pretty decent as well. Now, these have a above average sound. So I would say if you can find this at 29 to 39, maybe at 49, it's a 5. Anything above that, I wouldn't get it. Not because it's not good, because I think that there's cheaper ones out here that you can get that's going to give you, might not sound as good, but it's going to give you all the functionality and everything. Now, the touch controls work like any other open ear touch controls, okay? The left is going to do one thing, the right is going to do one thing. If you hit the right and you triple tap it, it's going to go forward. If you hit the left and you triple tap it, it's going to go backwards. You answer call, double tap, answer call, double tap, hang up a call. So it works like any other earbuds. You have to look at the direction because some of them might be a little different in how they function. Okay. So if you don't care for the app and you buy it at the price of $29.39, you're going to get a 4.2, which is good. Now, if you do care about the app, it's going to bring it down to a 3.35. And if you care about the app and the price, if you buy the price of $179 to $114, you're looking at 2.50. So I know that's a lot, but I'm going to give it a 4.2 because really, I would love to have the app. I would love to have that. And I'm an app because you upgrade the firmware, but I know some earbud places, earbud manufacturers don't come with an app. So I would love to have an app. Now for Monster, there should be an app. But I'm going to give it a 4.2 without the app. And with the app, if the app is a 3.5, 3.35 without the app. With the app, it's a 4.02. Without the app, it's a 3.35. If you care about that, guys, I would say this is a buy. Even if with or without the app, at $29 or $39, it's still. I bought it for $39. It's on sale right now for $29. So, guys, I would say go ahead and get them if you're looking for open back, open ear design, and you want it, have that be able to get loud. Hey, these are loud. These have a good enough volume, because when you put it in your ear, it's one thing, you get all that, but when it's open, you have to, be able to adjust the volume, because some of them are low and you turn it up, but they still sound low. All right, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and say it's a 4.02 with the app, the 3.35 without the app. All right, guys, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please give me some thumbs up. And if you give me thumbs up and you share, guess what? The YouTube gods say, hey, people like it. Let's put it out to more people. So please like, share. The one thing, my new and current and new subscribers are still rocking with your boy. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, a.k.a. Pastor Tech. Thank you for rocking out with me on another unboxing. Guys, we got some more unboxings coming, so hit the subscribe button so you can be notified anytime we drop a new video. And I'll see you. We have a new unboxing coming out soon, so I'll see you then. You have a good day. Peace.